Namaste बच्चों. In today's class, we will discuss about determiners. In previous class, we have discussed about determiners articles. In articles, we have discussed about definite and indefinite. In today's class, just see possessive determiners. Possessive determiners. In possessive determiners, there are my, our, your, his, her, its, and their. These are possessive determiners. It means they show possession, and these are used with singular nouns as well as plural nouns. Some students think that these are also pronouns. Dear student, you just see. I, first person pronoun, subjective case, me, objective case, and my. My is adjective. And myself. Myself is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. I is pronoun, me is pronoun. This is used in subjective case, this is used in objective case. My is adjective determiner and myself reflexive pronoun. In the same way, we, us, and ourself. This is reflexive case, this is subjective first person, as objective first person, and our, this is adjective. After that, you, your, and you. Then third person, he, him, and he. He, him, and his, and himself. She, her, and herself. After that, they, them, their, and themselves. These are pronouns, these are subjective, these are objective, and these are the determiners that are used in the different cases. These words are reflexive pronoun. In the same way, it, its, and its, itself. These are also adjective and the determiners in the different ways. But in this, that we will also we describe about the usage of these possessive determiners. For example, my brother is a famous physician. My brother is a famous physician. My, this is also possessive determiner. Next, our. In the use of our school produce brilliant result every year. After that, next one is its. The use of its is its price is 100 rupees. In this way, all these are used. In the same way, your, his, her, and their. These are the possessive determiners that they are used in this way. Next one is demonstrative. Demonstrative adjectives or determiners. In this, there are only four: this, that, these, and those. These are demonstrative determiners. Demonstrate. This word also taken from demonstrate. In the same way, demonstrate, it means to point out. To point out. If we want to point out anything, that there is any gesture, any signal for the particular object, that these are followed by the demonstrative determiners. This is used for singular. I am making the combination of these, this and these. This is used for singular noun. Singular noun. And these is used for plural noun. This determiner is used for near object. Near object. And this is also for plural and for near object. For example, this book, या this horse run very fast. It means this horse, which is very near. That's why that we can use this. In the same way, this only for one, for singular. If we want to highlight one, more than one, that in the plurality, that we can use these. In the same way that we can say that these students are very sincere. In this way that we can use these. After that and those. In the second, that we can discuss about that and those. That and those. That is used for singular, and those is used also for singular, for plural. For plural. That is used for distant object, and those is also used for distant object. I again repeat this. This is used for present and singular and near object. This is used for plural and near object. That is used for singular and distant object. In the case of time, that also describe for past. In the same sense, those is used for plural and distant object. For example, just I giving an example. That horse run very fast. It means the horse which is going to point out that it is not near, that it is on some distance. That's why that is the used to point out distant object, distant thing. And plural, in this case, that we can use those. For example, those students those students are very naughty. It means in this sentence that may be are, may be were. If in the case of time, that we can use were, and in the distant, that we can use those for plural person, for plural objects. In this case, that we can use all these. Thanks and have a nice day.